Bartaco is a simple concept. We have a bar and we serve tacos. We are a small taco chain restaurant. We have 35 locations currently. We run from Florida to the Boston market out to Colorado. Every day is a new challenge. You never know what's going to happen. With great partners like Ecotrak, we're able to streamline our maintenance system and make sure that we're able to get work orders taken care of in a timely manner. Our operators can get back in business and we have very little downtime. And you're always trying to make sure that your systems are in place, working well with great vendor partners, and you have a good software behind you such as Ecotrak to make sure that you're streamlining your system and that everything is getting fixed in a timely order. We've started using the asset module to do our site surveys and working with that with our service managers, our field managers, along with our regional directors. It is all in one platform and is all going through the system, so there's no multiple pages, multiple logins. It's all within Ecotrak, and it's a great asset so far. Bringing on a CMS platform is a big deal when you're coming into a system. One of the things that I really like about Ecotrak is that it's a very easy sell to providers. What makes a CMS software very difficult for providers is that there's a lot of training, there's a lot of things that they have to do. I can go and I can get a service provider brought onto Ecotrak. We can have them ready to go in about 30 minutes or less, and I can teach them how to walk through and put in an invoice, or there are modules that are available for the service provider, and it makes it very easy to bring on the vendors that I want to bring on, and it makes it easy for them to be comfortable in the software. Ecotrak is great for that. I also very much love the asset modules and how you can take that, break down, chase your warranties, see warranties. It lets you know when there's a problem in the system, and it's great. It's a great way to track what you're doing and to make sure that you're capturing all of your warranty capture and not leaving money on the table. Managing multiple locations is hard, especially for us because we're so spread out. But by using great software systems like Ecotrak, we're able to streamline and work nationwide, anywhere in the world with their software, their application. It makes life so much easier that I can be anywhere, I can access my work order systems, I can send work orders out, and that's the challenges that you face is not having those. When you don't have a CMS platform, such as Ecotrak, that's where you really have a lot of your issues. My overall experience with Ecotrak is amazing. I've been using this CMS software now, not just at Bartaco, but I used it at my prior job as well. I recommend it to everybody that I talk to. I think Ecotrak is a great software. It has great benefits to anyone that wants to use it. It is very supportive. Their team is always there when you need it. I can't think of a better software to use on the market at this current time.